Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver. Today in this video we will talk about the very important topic of hotel management, that is the selection process. So guys, बहुत से students की queries थी, doubts थे regarding the selection process. So here I will give you the complete information regarding the selection process. So before going to our main point, let's talk something about the NCH MCT JEE. So as you know, it is a national level exam held by the NTA, that is National Testing Agency. By cracking this exam, you can secure your admission in various best institutes of hotel management running by the central government, state government, public sectors, food and crafts institutes, and various private sectors affiliated with NCH MCT. So guys, here best institutes nothing but IHM. So to enter into IHM, you have to crack NCH MCT JEE. So guys, after cracking exam, the first question comes in your mind, that is what next? So guys, यहाँ आपने NCH MCT JEE exam crack तो कर ली, but to enter into IHM, you have to score maximum marks. So here, who will score more marks will be placed high on the rank list, and as you will be on the high, you will get the best institutes of the hotel management, that is IHM. Now guys, let's talk about the selection process. So guys, after the exam, NTA announces the result, discloses the merit list, and conducts the counseling and call the candidates for the counseling process. The counseling process has mainly 3 rounds, first round, second round and third round. So guys, first round और second round ये दोनों web based होते हैं, that is computer based, while third round called as spot round, where aspirants needs to be appear physically at the counseling centers. In both the first round and second round of counseling, there is option of float and freeze. So guys, यहाँ float means upgradation of seat, while freeze means non-upgradation of your seat. So guys, if you choose float, that means अगर आप अपनी सीट विड्रॉल करते हो फर्स्ट राउंड से, तो आपको सेकेंड राउंड में सीट मिल जाएगी, लेकिन उसके लिए आपकी फर्स्ट राउंड की सीट ऑटोमेटिकली कैंसल्ड हो जाएगी. एंड गाइज, इफ़ यू चूज ऑप्शन फ्रीज, देन आप सेकेंड राउंड में कोई भी सीट अलॉट नहीं कर पाओगे. And in the third round, you have to appear physically at the centers. So come to the main point, how counseling process starts. So very important thing is your admit card. So guys, after the exam, बहुत से candidates अपना admit card संभाल कर नहीं रखते. So guys, to enter in the counseling process, you have to carry your admit card, because without admit card, you will not be participate in the counseling process. So guys, the step 1 of the counseling process, that is register online. NTA will release a link on their official portal. Now here you have to register online and you have to pay the counseling fees. Guys, remember, without registration you will not be participate in first and second round of counseling. Now here the most important step is step number 2, that is online choice of filling and locking. Here you have to fill the online choice of your colleges and lock the same. You should not forget to lock the choice, because without it no seat will be allotted to you. So guys, बहुत से candidates स्टेप नंबर 2 में मिस्टेक कर देते हैं. वो कॉलेज फील तो कर लेते हैं लेकिन उसे लॉक करना भूल जाते हैं. सो गाइज, आपको ताला लगाना नहीं भूलना है. अगर यहाँ आप लॉक करना भूल गए तो आपको कोई भी सीट अलॉट नहीं हो पाएगी. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 3, सीट अलॉटमेंट इन ऑनलाइन मोड. सो गाइज, आफ्टर फिलिंग एंड लॉकिंग प्रोसीजर, द अथॉरिटी विल रिलीज द सीट अलॉटमेंट रिजल्ट. नाउ हियर यू विल बी एबल टू चेक योर सीट अलॉटमेंट ऑनलाइन, एंड हियर यू हैव टू पे द सीट acceptance fees. Now step number 4, report to the allotted institute. You have to report your respective allotted college for the confirmation of the seat, where the process to be completed like verification of the documents, submission of initial fees, upgradation of choices if any, and the fourth one is seat allotment letter. So guys, after reporting the college, you will not get any hard copy of the seat allotment. You have to take print from the online. In the step number 5, you have to pay the admission fees and hostel fees. Now here guys, your selection process completes. So guys, this is the all information regarding the selection process, and here you are eligible to enter into IHM. So guys, I hope that you get all information regarding the selection process. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section, where you will get all the solution for all your queries. So guys, subscribe the channel and press bell icon, so you will get all the notification regarding the updates of the hotel management. So guys, in our online program, you can get books, mock tests, sectional and full courses also. You can attend our live lectures. You can visit maneuveredu.com/hotel management. So regarding any queries for the online program, you can call on 8828581455. Thank you guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.